Markets were risk off ahead of the president's tariff announcement. Agnes Michelle Rook has more in Markets Now.
Wednesday's market closes were mostly lower except for the cattle futures. Tom Fitzenmeyer is back with analysis. And Tom, well, it felt like a risk-off day in the grains, just kind of positioning before the possible tariffs.
Right. I think that's all it was yesterday. There wasn't a lot of news, although, we had a slight improvement in ethanol production. U.S. is still competitive in terms of exports for corn. So there's some good things happening. On new crop corn, you did have some warmer soil temperatures and some talk about planting. Well, they put some cold weather in the forecast, so that may be moving the December corn contract around a little bit, or new crop in general around a little bit. But yeah, I think ultimately it was around what the tariffs are going to be, how they're going to impact markets. We did have the Mexican president say that they weren't going to have a tit for tat kind of a situation on tariffs. So maybe there's a reason to be a little bit optimistic.
A couple of the bright spots, though, soybean oil was higher, and we've had a big run in soybean oil on news that we might get some higher blending levels or mandates in the renewable fuel standard.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, that's been on a tear this week. It's finally nice to see it happen. We've had some negotiations between big oil and the biofuels industry. They've made a presentation to the EPA that it looks like is probably going to be accepted. So I mean, I think all that's positive for soybean oil. Having said that, we've had a very nice rally. Soybean oil is way overbought.
Yeah. Cattle, one of the bright spots as well. Wednesday, new contract highs in a few of the live cattle contracts. Can we keep going there?
I've wondered if we could keep going now for a couple of months, and we continue to. So quite a strong market. Consumer continues to be willing to buy beef even at higher prices here. Certainly numbers are supportive. So I guess we'll have to see, but it certainly looks positive chart-wise, that's for sure, even if it is overbought and has been for quite some time.
No doubt. All right, thanks so much, Tom Fitzenmeyer, Summit Commodity Brokerage. Wilmer Agnew coming up.